Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the keyboard sound on your Android phone. So let's get started right away. Launch your Android phone. And what you want to do after that, guys, is access your phone's settings. So tap on settings here on your home screen. Here in your phone settings, make sure that you look for a feature called audio profiles. Now the location of these audio profiles may vary depending on the exact phone model and the operating system or Android version you're currently using. As you can see, I can access these audio profiles here, so tap on it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is press and hold your finger on the general predefined audio profile here at the top and select edit from that menu here. And after that, simply scroll down a bit till you get to the system sounds and make sure that you turn off the keyboard sounds. Now, if you can't find the keyboard sounds here in the system sounds, you may try to circumvent this by simply turning off the tap sounds and the screen locking sounds here to the right. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.